Welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design yoga and meditation website using WordPress. So if this is your first time visiting this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. So by the end of this video, we are going to design exactly this website. So let me refresh it. Let's see the type of website we are going to create by the end of this video. Take for instance, you want to start a yoga business or meditation business. This particular website is for you. Or you are a web development agency or a web designer, you can use this particular website to design a meditation and yoga website for your client. So let's see the preview of this particular website. You can see this is a very professional looking website. You can see. So this is a professional looking website. I'm going to show you how you can change everything here. The first thing I want you to do is just get the pictures and images of your own yoga environment ready, because I'll show you how you can change all these things and change this text, change the backgrounds so that it will fit your own business. So you can see, so this is where you can add your own experts. You see our trainers, so you can add your own trainers here. I'll show you how you can do that too. So you can see everything professional. This is a professional website. Any customer visiting this particular website, let me tell you, that person is going to patronize your business. So this is a professional website. So without wasting time, let's get started. So like I said in the beginning of this video, we are going to design this using WordPress. So the first thing you need is a WordPress dashboard. And for you to get a WordPress dashboard, you need to get domain and hosting. So I'll put a link in the description that show you how to get domain and hosting and install WordPress in case you don't have WordPress installed. But if you already have your WordPress installed, then congratulations. Let's continue from here. So this particular place, now I'm starting with those that have WordPress already installed in their devices. So this is what you're going to see once you install WordPress. So now we need to install tools and things that will help us achieve this particular thing, because once you install WordPress, you cannot just have the website and it will start working. No, you need theme and you need plugins. These two are most important thing in WordPress development that will help your website to stand out. It will also help your website to work. So first thing, you come to appearance, click on themes. So by default, this is how our website looks by default. You can see it is our blog post, default blog post. So now once you come here, you can delete all this particular theme if you don't want it, but it doesn't matter. Just click on add theme. So once you click on add theme, the theme we are going to use for this web development is Hello Elementor. Just install it. So just install this particular theme is created by Elementor, and we are going to use Elementor for this particular design. So you activate it. If you didn't find it, just search for it over there and you'll find it. So once you install this particular theme, the next thing we are going to do is to install plugins, which these are the two most important things. So come here, click on plugins, you click on installed plugins. So now once you click on install plugin, you're going to see the list of your default plugins. Your own default plugins may not be my own default plugins, because sometimes some hosting platform have their own default plugins that come together with their own WordPress installations. So I think I have network error. Okay, so you can see now. So if you see this anything catching plugin, you can leave it because it will help your website to load faster. So that's why I left this one. So now let's click on add plugin. You can click on add plugin here right away, because I just show you that place so you can see how you can find more plugins that you install. So once you click on that place, the next thing you're going to do is search for a plugin called Elementor. So you search for Elementor. That is the first plugin we need. Then you install Elementor. So once we install Elementor, then you search for the second plugin we need. The second plugin we need here is the template kit import. So this is the second and the most important plugin we need for this particular design. So you scroll down, see it here. In some case you can find it up here, in some case you can find it lower here. So you install it. Template kit import by Elementor. So once you are done installing it, the next thing you are going to do is you click on installed plugin so we can activate both of them. So once you are done, click on, you mark all, then you click on bulk action, you click on activate, apply, then it will be activated. Then once it's activated, the next thing we are going to do is you go straight, we need to create pages, because your pages are the sections of your website. Let me just use the word section. Take for instance, if you come to a website, you can see where they say about us, you can see where they say contact us, you can see where they say services. In this we are going to see all these things in their menu. All those things are pages, so we are going to create those pages too. So just click all pages. You can go right away and click add page, but here now by default these are the default page. So I already activated this privacy policy, so you can add your own privacy policy and activate it. So I will trash this particular sample page so I can show you how to create your own page. So now you click on add page. So in this video I'm going to work on the home page alone, so then you use the same procedure I followed to design this home page and design other pages. So because if I start working on other pages, that's working like on 5 most important pages on a website, this video is going to be very long and I don't want it to be too long. So just type home. So home, then you come to this place, they say template, you see this default, scroll down, choose Elementor full width or canvas. So I used to choose full width. So publish, we are going to do everything with Elementor. So once you are done, then you go back. So if you want to create like other pages, just click here, you create your service page, you create your about us, you create contact, then you follow the same procedure that I will use to design this home page and design all those pages. So what I'm going to do now, this home page is not our front page yet. So for us to make it our front page, you come to settings. Once you come to settings, you go to reading, you click on it. Then by default our latest blog post is our home page. So you click on static, then you select home page, you select this home we just created, you save changes. Then let's go back to pages, all pages. Then you can see this home page is now saying front page. That is the only way you will know that this particular page is now the main home, because you can have 2 home pages there, or 3. Like naming your page is not actually what tells what the page will do. So I can write this home page, instead of writing the home, I can write it main. Then but the purpose of the video, the purpose of the page is what determines what the page will do. So once you are done, then it's time for us to go to the next step, which is bringing in the template to work to design. So for us to do that, just scroll down, come to tools, you can see, then you see template kit, you click on it. So once you click on it, you can click here to upload the template, or click here to upload the template. So don't worry, I'll show you how to get this template, just follow through. So follow this video, I'll show you how to get this particular template. So I click on this particular place, so then that's the yoga. So I'm now importing the template. So you can see here now processing. So once it will start processing, it won't take time, depending on the strength of your network. It will do what? It will import, and you are going to see that that everything that the main website, the sample website has you have it in your own website. So just like I said, everything has been imported successfully. You can see everything. You can see it. So see the home page, see class trainer page. You can have a separate page, you call it trainer page. You create it, then you link into your menu, about us page. The way I'm going to use to design this home page, use it to design this about us page too. So once you install it, then this particular uh, thing will prompt you with a requirement to install other uh, necessary plugins. So just click install, then you install them. So you click on install, then you install them. Once it is done, click on close. So the pop-up is gone. Then you must import this global style kit. If it doesn't import it, it will not come with this styling. So you import it. This is the most important thing you need to do. So once you are done, then you are ready to design. So let me show you how you can get this particular template. So for you to get it, I'll put a link to this page in the description. So let me refresh the. Then you click on this particular place to import this particular template, or you follow the other the second option, which is to click on this particular place to import it. So once we are done, then it's time for us to design. So on this note, I want you to watch this video to the end, because there are some certain plugins that I haven't installed yet. I will install it later for us to achieve some other things in this particular video. So once we are done, then let's go and design the home page. So come here, click on all pages, then let's work on the home page. So once you click on all pages, then you click on home, this particular home page, you click on edit. So once you click on edit, then you click on edit with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor, so that Elementor is what we use to design website without writing code. You are designing a website without writing any single line of code. So once the page is loaded, then you click on this particular place. Click on this particular place, then you click on view installed kit, then let's find home. So scroll down, let's look for home. I think it is down here. So you click on insert template. So then the home page will be importing. So now once you create your about us page, you do the same thing, follow the same process, then insert this particular about in the about us page. If you create a, let's say, contact us page, you click here to insert there. Blog page, you click here to insert your blog page. Then other pages that you need, so other pages that you need, you click on it to insert that page. That is what I'm trying to tell you. So that's how you can now design any other page aside this particular home page, because I'm only going to work on this particular home page on this video. You can see the home page has been imported successfully. So you can see it has been imported successfully. So here is this. You can see everything just like the main website. So now let me show you how you can walk around and change things here. So take for instance, you have your own image. So you click on this particular image here, you click on choose image, click on upload image, click here. Now you import your own image. Then so let me change image. Let me just use one image from the library. So I think let me just select one image from the library there. Let me choose this one. No, let me choose this one. So you can see now the image changed. So make sure you use the dimension of the image that is here before, so that it will fit in very well. You can see this particular image is longer, so but I'm just using it for the tutorial purpose. So here now you click here, you use the same way to change this image. So now this particular let's get started. Now you need to link it to your contact page where they can contact you. So when somebody is seeing this, they need to contact you. So you put the link here, link to your contact page. Take for instance this home page now is my contact page. You will see our home page will change very soon. Take for instance is my contact page. I will just paste the link here. So when anybody click here, they will land here on the page I linked here. So that's how to add the link to your this particular button. You can change the color of this button. Come to style, click on style. Once you click on style, you make sure it is button. Then you come here and find the background type, background color. Then you can change the background color. If you want to change this particular text color, click on them, come here, click on style. Then this particular text, if you come to content here now, this welcome is the title. Then this text is the subtitle. Discover the power of yoga is the subtitle. So this is where you can change it. So if you want to now style it, you come here now, you are going to click on the subtitle. Once you click on the style and come to subtitle, you can now change the color of this particular subtitle. So you can change the color to any color you want. So that's what I'm trying to tell you, that you have to, once you know the color and write-up of your own business, you can now change it. So maybe you want to also change the whole background color to something lighter. So you click here. Once you click here now, it will show you this particular place. Click style, come to background, click classic, then click on colors. Let me just make it something lighter but not white. You can see. So you can see that I changed. So you can now start recreating this particular design to suit your own business needs. So if you want to also change the background color of this particular box, the whole box here, click here, click on style, then click on, but the background is also telling you white. So you can, let's say you want something that can pop, so you want to change it to something red. Then you start working on, then let's say this particular text now, you change the color, come to style, you see the text color is black, so let's move it to white. You can see, so you can see that's how you can move around, change everything. Just click here, you see this particular place now, layout, you want to change the color, then you click on style, click on icon. The icon color is, so let's make it pop. You see, so you can see, you see, so that's how you can change the colors. The text is, you come to content, click here, then you change the text. Where they wrote 6 videos, you just write 6 videos plus. Or I just want to show you that this is where you can change it. So now you scroll down, the same way you want to change this particular background, click here. This is an image background, so you click on style. So you can see it's an image background. So this particular background, you're going to go and design your own background. You can get a texture background or any form of background online, or you get a web graphic designer to give you a professional background. Then you upload it here, it will be like this, because this one is an image background, not a color background. So that is why it is popping up like this. So you need to be creative when it comes to changing this to suit your own need. But if you want to maintain this and you want like something more color to just cover it, you can just come over here now, click on background overlay, then color is black. They already have background overlay black, so you can now do something like this. So once you do something like this, you can see that you have another color. Even though you are still using the same background image, you have changed it to suit your own color. So that is how you can move around that. So you scroll down. No, you already know how to change image, so and you already know how to change this. I showed you earlier. Then you want to change this particular images here, click on it. Anyone you click on, it will show the image. You change it the same way you change text. Then this particular start a class, this should, just like linking a button, you just link a button, this should lead to your contact page or about us page, so that people can, once they click on start a class, they will contact you to start a class. So is either they contact you through your contact page, or you put a link to an email there, when they click start a class, they contact you through your email or through your phone number, or they contact you through about us page. So you will know where you should put your contact, because that is what will tell how your customers will reach out to you. So here now, you already know how to change this. So let me show you how to change this countdown. Click on it. You see this 20. Let's make it 25. So here now is where you can change it to load to 25. So years of experience over here, see it here. So you can rewrite it. Let me add S, and you see S appear. So that's how you can change any of them. So this particular plus behind it, if you want see it where it is written non suffix, if you want it to be at the prefix, you add it at the prefix. See, equals to is let me just say plus. You see, plus at the prefix. If you want it at the suffix, you add it there. So now you already know how to change this. If you want to change this certification image, you now that image is an icon image. So there are many free icon image provider on the internet. Just download a better icon, or you can design an icon for your website, choose it as an image, and change this particular icon. So this is the only one that you cannot change the color. You have to design it and upload. So you have to design it and upload. So these are your partners. So once you click on it, then you click on logo. You see all of them here. So anyone you click on, you choose an image. So click here, you upload from your click here and upload from your file, or you click here and upload and choose any logo. So let me choose this logo. Then you will see that it will appear here. You can see, so it is appearing here. So this is logo of your partners or companies that you have worked with. If you don't want this particular page, just right click and do what? Delete. So you will now remove it. So that's how we can do it. So every other thing still remain the same. How to change, it still remain the same. So how everything still remain the same. Changing background for this one. So let's change background. You click here, click on style. This is let's I think it's an overlay background. Let me check. No, so it's not an overlay. That means if it's not an overlay, then this is not the background. See where the background is, the second container. So you like I always told, if you have watched the previous video that I made, I told you that there can be a container on top of container, or layer on top of layer. So even though this is the main background layer, they added another container inside that layer. So this is where this background sit in. You can see it. Let's see it. You can see it here. The color is black. So that's where the background sits in. So you can now change it to suit your own business background. Then you scroll down this image, click on it. You get an image with a transparent background, and replace this one in case you don't like this one. So that is how you can do it. Linking button and changing color for button still remains the same. Then here now you can now change image of your trainees, your trainers. So you can see it. You change here, change the name once you click here, change experience once you click here, see ATA, see experience here. Then you can create a page in your website that explains this person's profile. So when somebody click learn more about Michael, they will have to land on another page that explains more. But if you don't want it, you can just right click and delete this button. Maybe you don't want it, just delete all these buttons so that users will just see about them here and go their way. So that's how you can do that. So you scroll down. So anything you don't want, maybe you don't want this one, just delete it. Anyone you don't want, you just delete. But this one explain the expertise. This one is training strength. This one is mindful meditation, and this one is hatha yoga. Is they are expertise, so you can leave it. So you know how to change background already. So let me show you something. This is the box. Let's see if it contain the main background. So you can see that this particular box contains the main background. There is no layer inside. So you can now move around and just So you can see, so that's how you can change literally everything. This image background, just click here and click on style, then you can see the image, your own design image, put it there, and you are good to go. This place is blog post, so once you publish blog posts in your website, it will automatically appear here. So once you are done, you click on publish. So you click on publish. So once we are done publishing, let's come back to our home page and refresh our home page. As you can see, everything we edited, you can see it. So you saw that I changed a lot of things and it's appearing. This is just test purpose. Let's take for instance, I have my own yoga business I want to work on. I already know the type of colors and images, so you can see the logo I added here. Everything changed, you can see. I think this background is even more beautiful than the, um, the default background. Even this background is more professional than the default background. I love it. You can see, so everything looking well, but we still have the default footer and we don't have our header here. So that is why I say you should watch this video to the end, because now we need to create our header and we need to create our footer. So for us to do that, so we have to go back, because we are done from here. Go back. So once we are back, then we have to install another plugin that we will use. So we have to go back to the dashboard. So we need another plugin that we are going to use to design this header and footer. So for us to get that, you click on plugins, then add plugin. Then we need Elements Kit. Elements Kit. This is the plugin that you can use to create header and footer of your website. There are other plugins, but I prefer this one because it is more user friendly than the rest. So install it, activate. So once we are done activating, then you can see it here. See it here. So just click on header footer. Once you click on header footer, then you click on add new template. You write it header. You can write it any name. The most important place is this type. Make sure it is header. They have two options. If you write footer, this your header will go to the footer. So make sure it's header, but here you can write any name to remember it. Then this place is entire website. So once you go for pro, you can add to a singular website, or but we need it to be in our entire website. So here now we click on activate. You can edit it right away. Once you publish, it will save. So let's follow this process. So because I have been teaching how you can save changes and later come back and edit. So let's follow this process in this video. So once this page load, then just like home page, click here. Then you click on view installed kit. Then we scroll down, we are looking for header. So let's see it here. So you click on header, insert template. So it will import the header template. It doesn't take time. So you can see we have imported the header. You can see it. So here now, this place is for the menu. So click on this particular place. So let's click on it. Okay, so no. See the menu section here. So we already have menu here. So if we have more menu, it will adjust this particular side. To adjust it, the more menu we have here, the more it will adjust this particular side. So now here, now you click on here if you want to change this particular place. So also let me know if you want me to make a video on how you can create your own default header other than this particular header that this website came with. You can design a default header. So if you want that video, I'll make it on how you can design it. I think I've made one video already, so you can check my channel. I made it already, so you can design. Maybe you don't like this particular header, you can design it. Click here to change your logo. Change your logo. Make sure your website logo is ready and a transparent background too. Join our class here now. Put link to the uh, page where they can join. If you want them to pay before they join, you put link to your payment link there. So once they pay their payment, they will be redirected to contact you to join, or redirected to join the class, or however you want it. So that's where you can click here. Now you can now put a link to your phone number or for them to call you. So once they click on this particular place, then it will take them to the phone session for them to do what? To call you. So now once you are done, you publish. This place is the menu. So once we are done, let's refresh our page. So once we are done refreshing the page is loading. So my network is a little bit slow. It doesn't supposed to be slow like this. So as you can see, we refresh the page and see our header just changed. So you can see it. So the next thing we need to do is we need to create our footer. So come back here, click on add new template, write it footer or any name, but the most important thing is this type. Change it to footer. Click here, then edit content. So it's time for us to edit the footer so that you see what I'm trying to tell you. So once the page is loaded, then you click on this particular place. So you click on it. So you click here. Then the next thing is just like the home page and other pages. Click on view installed kit. Then we are looking for the footer. So you see it here. Insert template. So it's time for us to insert the footer template. So we are inserting the footer template. It doesn't waste time. You can see. Perfect. 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 So here now click here. Now you change your logo. So you change your logo. Let's take for instance, I want to choose another logo. Click here to upload your select files to select your logo. So let me just get one logo from here. So you see the logo is here. So design your logo to pop up very well, except you want to change this footer background. Take for instance, let's try to change it. Click on style. This black, let's make it a little bit lighter. So you can see I changed it. So if you want to change any of this link, this title, see it here, you change it. Then if you want to change any of this particular place, you click here, you see home, you can change it. So then this particular link, you put a link to your home page, just like I copied earlier. Here now is about us. You paste link to about us page, which you will create and design later. Service page, you do the same thing, which you will create and design later. All of those pages are imported together in that particular template. So here now, put your own email. So once you click here, scroll down icon box, then let me put my email. This is my email in case you want to contact me. In case you want to contact me for any issue, so just choose this email. So you can change your email over there. Then here now you can just made by, let's say made by, so you can see copyright, this one is 2024, where this video is made in 2025. So add it here. Then here now you click here to change time, Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. it will change. That's how you can change it. Then you publish. So once you are done, let's refresh this home page. So once we refresh it, we scroll down to the footer. You can see everything. See my email, see the ones I changed, the background color 2025, control by digital. And so here now, let's go and create a post, so it will pop up there. So now come to post, all posts. So you can see by default this is what we have. So now you can click here to add post or click here to add post. So once you click here, let's add a post. So the title is test, description is content of the particular post test. You click here, you click on set featured image. I will select a featured image. Just let me select this. No, let me select this image as my featured image. Yes, then publish. Once I'm done, good, refresh, you can see it. So once you any post you publish in your blog, it will appear here automatically. So that's how you can create this type of professional looking website, meditation and yoga website. So if you have watched this video to this point, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification so that when I drop a new video like this, you get notified. Don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Also, let me know if you have gotten your own template and design it. You can show me your samples. Also, let me see and know who has the most beautiful rebrand of his own designs. So on this note, I want to thank you for watching to this end, and share this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.